much joy within my heart. It makes my being all depart. White flower and yellow and red I see, the cold as though it's summer be. For with the wind and with the rain my venture grows, and not in vain. So my song rises, climbs the more, and my worth strengthens to the core. So much of love, of joy is sweet, I hold within that frost and sleet. Seem flowers to me in the white snow, as green as any field can show. Stripped in my camise, naked where icy north wind flees, because true love makes me so bold that I fear nothing that is cold. But he is mad who takes success and does not know how to possess measure. So I take care and heed, for I have sought and seek indeed the loveliest in love's domain, from whom such honor I obtain, that I would not for her rich grace own Pisa and its wealthy place. From her love she may cut me quite, but still I trust to my delight. At least her lovely look I've won, the sweet appearance and so done. Such blessing and such good as I would have it in my mood, that on the day I see her face I shall have nothing to erase. My joy, my heart is love's own hold, my spirit runs to her but cold. My body stays elsewhere in France, far from her in this circumstance. Good hope, but small it aids. She holds me balancing as blades a ship upon the wave. The weight of evil that makes desolate, I know no hiding from its sting. All night I turn and toss and fling myself above the cliff's steep side. More pain of love I must abide than loving Tristan ever bore, who suffered many sorrows sore. For Isolde of the golden hair, my pain is heavier to bear. Ah God, why am I not a swallow, that through the air I might fly hollow, and come by night deep in the dark into her dwelling, make my mark to my good lady joyous sweet, for then her lover she would greet. I fear my heart will melt outright if this goes on much more tonight. My lady, for your love I fold, my hands adore you, body gold, fresh color, gentle form, great ill you make me suffer. And I will, and I will. There is no thing in all the world that makes me so with thought impearled, as when I hear some tale of her, my heart turns straight, my spirits stir, my face lights up. Whatever you may hear me say, it will seem true, that I have will to laugh so deep I love her. And so oft I weep, that better taste my sighs may gain, because they issue out of pain. So much I love her truly well, that many a time in tears I dwell. Messenger, go now, quickly run, and tell the gentlest, finest one the pain, the sorrow, and the smart, the martyrdom that tears my heart.